Debut, record screen. To record your screen, click the Screen button on the toolbar, select a recording window using the selection tools beneath the preview, then click Record. Continue watching for additional details on recording from the screen. There are several selection tools beneath the preview window. To freeform, select the area you want to record. Click the far left button of the 4 Select Recording Mode buttons. The selection rectangle will open with an outline around the current selection. Click in the middle of the selection and drag to move it without changing the dimensions. To resize the selection, click and drag a green handle or an edge. You can also click on an area outside of the selection and drag your mouse to start a new selection. In the title bar of the Selecting Area dialog, you will see the coordinates of each corner of your selection and also the size of the selection in pixels. You can use the following keyboard shortcuts while the selection rectangle is open to modify it. First, arrow key moves the selection 1 pixel. Second, Shift plus arrow key moves the selection by 10 pixels. Third, Control plus arrow key increases the selection size by 1 pixel. Fourth, Shift plus Control plus arrow key increases the selection size by 10 pixels. Fifth, Alt plus arrow key decreases the selection size by 1 pixel. And sixth, Shift plus Alt plus arrow key decreases the selection size by 10 pixels. When you are happy with the selection, click the Select button to complete the selection. To select a window to record, click the second Recording Mode button. As you hover over different windows on your desktop, the dotted lines will be drawn around the area that has focus. Left-click with your mouse to finalize the selection. To record the entire desktop, click the third Recording Mode button. If you have dual monitors, both monitors will be selected. Click the arrow to select only your primary or secondary monitor from the drop-down. Click the last Recording Mode button to use the Select the Last Window selection used. Click the arrow to select from a list of previous selections. To the right, there are 3 recording options. If you select the first button to the left, the selection area will be highlighted during recording. This is useful if you are displaying only a portion of the screen and want to make sure that the required information is available as you change your screen. Selecting the next button will cause the selection to move with your mouse during the recording. Selecting the last button will include your mouse cursor in the recording. Clicking the Options button in the toolbar opens the Options dialog. In the Cursor tab, you can make more selections for mouse cursor display settings. And in the Record tab, you can set recording limits and screen capture options. If you are recording audio with your screen recording, select the Audio tab in the Options window to choose your microphone or speakers. Select the checkbox next to mouse clicks if you want to hear a sound with each mouse click. Click OK when you have finalized the options. Use the Record Screen As drop-down at the bottom of the application to select the recording format. If you want to change the default encoder options for the format, click on the Encoder Options button. Use the Record, Pause, and Stop buttons at the bottom of the window to begin, pause, or end your recording. If debut is minimized during recording, use the hotkey Control plus F10 to stop the recording. Click on the Recordings tab to view your screen recordings. For more debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.